Hello everyone, this is Kinko. This video I will show you how to make your own application. This is Android phone application containing H32B relay controller. Also you can control H16B or H8B. Just use MQTT block so that you can, like this, I can turn on the switch, like turn on relay and turn off relay. And also you can see I can create many buttons. Like this, I can press, this relay is on, but my finger is not removed. I remove the finger, the relay is off. This is for the touch mode. So I can press on, off, and on, and off. So and this is the third work mode, interlock. You can see I press this button. This is relay 1 is on, relay 2 is off. If I press this button, that will be relay 2 is on, relay 1 is off. So this can control curtain or control the motor. Just like this, I can press this, exchange the relay on and off state, and like this. Yes, this is interlock. So we can create this application for the interlock and the touch mode and the switch. This we usually used in industry country. So this video I will tell you how to step by step make this application by Google App Inventor. Okay, let's look at the computer screen. Before we use, firstly we need to do the network setting, the Ethernet setting. We have set the work mode for MQTT. So and set the MQTT block IP and the block port. I have used this public MQTT block. This you can find on internet, or you can create your private own MQTT block. This is the domain name and this is the port. I have converted the domain name to the IP address, so I can fill the block and the IP and the port. And just set these sections. After you set, you just press the save and restart again. The relay controller will connect to your MQTT block server automatically. And the second, you just need to open this MIT App Inventor and click this Create Application by logging your Google account. This is my Google account I have logged. This is a project I have created. You can find it in this project list. And now we will step by step tell you how to make easily the project for remote control relay on and off. So we can click this, start a new project, and input the project name, IoT relay. Okay, this is a window for way to design, and we can write the code. And at the first, we need to click this extension because we need to import the library of the MQTT. You can see this. I have uploaded the MQTT library for MIT App Inventor on our form. You can download in this form and technical support and development, and you can see this topic. And also you can see this website. Just this is the extension you can download from this link. And there are many information we will use later. We will see this section is later. I will tell you why. And you can download this zip file and unzip on your hardware disk. And you can click this import. And from computer, choose a file. This is the zip file I have unzipped. You can click this .aix file and open and import. Wait for a moment. Now you will see this icon is displayed. So this library for MQTT we can use. And now we begin to design the window. We can click layout click this horizon arrangement and drag out. And otherwise, we can click this fill parent, and we can insert the user interface, insert a label, just your program name. So I can input IoT relay, and you can let your font size largely, and horizon we can let it in the center, and also we can change the label color. We can choose a blue or choose a green. And now we can add the horizon again. This time we also set parent, just the max size. And this time we can go to the user interface and press a button. This button we need to connect to our MQTT server. Like this, I can create the name of test connect. This is connect button and large. And we can place a label that for MQTT server state. MQTT state, and the state is what, and add a label again. This label 3 is delete nothing. This will be display our MQTT state. We will use it later. And now we can change to the block mode. And we can see this button as the zero sum event. Just one button, one click. Button 1 is connect button. And the button 1 click will use we need to place this MQTT library to the window, this window. And this you will see the block, the client ID, this information. So we can copy this IP. This is IP. And the client ID, you can use anything, just like Kinkone client. And keep alive will not to change. And this is the password and the username. Now I have not used. You need to fill in your password and the username as soon as you create the MQTT block. And this part is 1883, just like this. This is 1883. So we can set the MQTT block. Okay, now we can change to this. And now you will see this MQTT library. And we can click. You will see many events. We can try out this function. Just like this, one button click and then call the MQTT connect clear session. We can set to true. The logic we set to true. Okay, now when we press the button and the MQTT will be connected. And this time we can place a time. As you can see, this is a clock. We can drag out. And now will be a clock, because we need the clock every 5 seconds to check the MQTT state. So we can click this and click clock. When clock arrive, what needed to do, and the label 3 we need to set the label 3 test. Test to what? Just display MQTT server state. So we can choose this one, and this one, MQTT connect state. So dry out. And now we can back to the design and click the clock. And this is time interval. We can set to 5 seconds. The 1 second is too quickly, so we can set to 5 seconds. Every 5 seconds, we check the MQTT server. And until now, we can click the button for connect, and every 5 seconds, we'll check the state. Okay, now let's look at how to create the switch button to the window and to turn on and turn off relay. So we can also place this horizon and set the voice to the field parent. And this time we can create a switch. We can set the test for switch and the size 20. And this is for switch on and off. So now we can see this block, and you can see this is a switch. We can click, and we can try out this. This means when the switch is changed, maybe on from on to off or from off to on, just changed. We need to for a judgment for on and off to turn on relay 1 or turn off relay 1. So we just add a if-else command. Like this, I can use this if then else. If the switch is on, so we can, this is a mess. We can drive this node, and if switch on, try to this. If switch on equal true, so this true is logical. If switch on is true, then we can turn on relay 1. How to turn on relay 1? Just send a MQTT message to a topic. We need to use this node and publish a topic and the message. The topic is a test, and the message is also a test. So I have created the text file on the notepad. This is our country relay topic, and this is the message. So we can copy this. You can see this is fixed relay 32 and set, and this is the UID. The UID you can find in your network setting. This is the UID. Just replace this string by your own self UID. So now I can double click and paste. I just use this topic and the message. If you want to turn on relay 1, you can just copy this information. This is JSON format. This relay 1 means the first channel of relay on. If on equal 1, that means turn on relay. If the on is 0, that means turn off relay. So you can paste this is turn on relay 1. So the else is if switch is on is false, just the switch is off. So we can turn off relay 1. So we can click this and copy. Just Ctrl C, copy, and paste to this place. And just the topic is seen. Just change the relay 1 on from 1 to 0. So this is turn off relay 1. Okay, this is the connection and check state and turn on relay 1. Now we can go to the design, and the application is complete for first easiest application, just like Hello World. Now you can click this build and create the QR code for download the QR code, and also you can save the APK file to your computer. We can use this one, just generate the QR code by Google Event. Okay, now you can see the QR code have generated. We can use your mobile phone to scan the QR code, and you can download. And just install anyway. Okay, now it's install complete. We can open and delete this install file. And you can see this is our window. And when I press the connect, you can see the state is 2. Before is 0. What this means, you can see our web page like this, the information. You can see the 0 means disconnect, and the 1 is connection, and the 2 is connected. So now we can see the mobile phone have displayed the number is 2. So that means it have connect to our MQTT box server successfully. This is turn on relay 1, and I press again, turn off relay 1. Now is remote country. This is by the MQTT box server. You can see I use the Wi-Fi, but I can display the Wi-Fi. Like this, I can display the Wi-Fi. And now you can see I use the 4G. You can see I can turn on the switch. Because I have changed to the 4G, so you can connect again. And you can see the 2 means connect successfully. Because I have changed to 4G, so we need to press connect again, and you will see the number is displayed 2, so that means successfully connected. So now I can press the switch on and off and on and off. So this is used by the 4G. So this is how to create a easy switch for on and off by yourself. This is your own application of Android phone. We can click. This is the IoT relay. This is generated by the App Inventor. Okay, thanks for watching.